Howdy, this is Lemmy with RevZilla, here to talk to you today about lithium batteries. One of the questions we get almost every day is whether a motorcyclist should look at a lithium battery. Now, the big difference I think between a lithium battery and your standard lead acid that we've seen for years and years is going to be that of energy density.
I'm your density.
Now, when you look at a lithium battery, you should note there's lots of power packed into either a really small space or the same size space as a normal battery, but it happens to be very light. So in the case of this anti-gravity, you can see this is obviously a very small battery. And in the case of this ballistic over here, we've got a standard size case, but this thing is super duper light. Now, generally speaking, it's my opinion that these are not necessarily best for every single motorcyclist out there. I think generally speaking, these are going to be best for those who are either building custom bikes and need to hide a battery. That's for those of you looking maybe at the super small package style batteries. And I think they're also really good for those who are really looking to shed weight. So I'm thinking about those of you who are out there racing. That's where these puppies come in. You can slide these into your factory battery spot, however you're dumping off a lot of weight. Now, when it comes to reliability, however, sometimes the lithiums aren't always on the top of the heap. So if you're riding your bike every single day and don't necessarily need maximum electrical performance or maximum cost, but instead want something that's super reliable day in, day out, you may want to look at either a high quality standard flooded lead acid battery or perhaps something like an AGM or a gel battery, which is very similar technology, however implemented just a little bit differently. So generally speaking, I'm going to say most people are going to be well served, again, by either an AGM, a gel, or a flooded lead acid. However, there are some special scenarios, I think, where a lithium battery really can stand out for somebody who's on a motorcycle. Now, you know a little bit more about lithium batteries. I'm Lem. I'm out of here.